Let me show you how a $20 tailor can make a $50 shirt look like a $500 custom garment. Numero uno, it's the canvas. Think of the shirt as the canvas. If the canvas is cheap, the final painting will never look premium. Fabric is king. Before you ever step into a tailor shop, you need to understand one thing. A tailor can improve a shirt, but they cannot save a bad shirt. Luxury always starts with fabric. When you touch an expensive shirt, you notice it immediately. The softness, the weight, the way it moves naturally. That's because premium shirts use natural fibers. Look for 100% cotton, clean, versatile, crisp, timeless. Linen, relaxed luxury, breathable, rich texture. Cotton wool blend, refined drape, elegant for cooler weather. These fabrics breathe better, age better, and wrinkle in a way that still looks sophisticated. Now compare that to polyester blends. Polyester often reflects too much light, traps heat, and hangs stiffly on the body. Even after tailoring, cheap fabric still looks cheap. So remember, tailoring improves fit, fabric creates status. 2. The shoulder rule. This is the golden rule of buying shirts. The shoulder seam must end exactly where your natural shoulder ends, not halfway down the arm, not pulling upward, not collapsing inward. Why is this so important? Because shoulders are the skeleton of the shirt. Everything else, chest, waist, sleeves, can be adjusted easily. But shoulders are expensive and difficult to rebuild. To taper the waist, maybe $20. To reconstruct shoulders, often $100 or more. So if the shoulders are wrong, walk away. When shoulders fit properly, the shirt instantly looks more expensive. It sits clean. It frames posture. It sharpens your silhouette. 3. Collar stiffness equals hidden luxury signal. Most people ignore the collar. Big mistake. The collar sits closest to your face. That means people notice it first, even subconsciously. Cheap shirts often have weak collars that collapse after one wash. They curl outward, sink downward, look tired. Premium shirts hold shape. They stand upright, frame the jawline, stay sharp under jackets and sweaters. When shopping, lightly pinch the collar. If it feels thin and lifeless, skip it. If it has structure and bounce, that's a winner. 4. Buttons, stitching, and small signals. Luxury is often communicated quietly. Look for thicker buttons, clean stitching, even seams, no loose threads, pattern alignment near placket and pockets. Most people won't consciously inspect these details, but they feel the difference. That's how quiet luxury works. 5. Fit before tailoring. You don't need a perfect fit off the rack, but you do need correct shoulders, a decent chest room, enough sleeve length, and, of course, quality fabric. Everything else can be refined later. Never buy oversized, hoping tailoring fixes everything. Buy the closest good base possible. The smartest dressed men don't buy the most expensive shirt in the store. They buy the best canvas, then let tailoring do the rest. It's all about the 3 magic adjustments. The waist, adding 2 simple seams in the back to remove the muffin top fabric. Sleeve slimming, removing the excess billowing fabric from the triceps and forearms. And the hem, adjusting the length so it hits the perfect spot, tucked versus untucked. Now, I know that 95% of people cannot tell the difference, but I aim to the 5% that can actually see it. True elegance is about how clothes follow the lines of your body, not whose name is on the neck label. Walk like you made it, because you did.